Intrinsic goals are about physical health, self-acceptance, community. They're things that you feel within yourself. Extrinsic goals are more about popularity or conformity or financial success. Now, financial success is a wonderful thing. I wish it on all of you, and I wish more on me as well. But financial success also has a limit. I have many friends who have gone into finance, and making money, that financial success, that is a component of their happiness with their job and their well-being. But it's not the biggest component. The friends that I find that are really happy in the work they do in finance, they predominantly talk about the sense that they are contributing to the community, that they are creating new businesses for the community. For them, it's also about being a really good citizen. So it's not that financial success can't contribute to your happiness, to your subjective well-being, but it can't be everything. That there has to be an intrinsic component to whatever you're doing to really create the goal that's going to increase your subjective well-being. Conformity is not a popular concept in college, but conformity can also be really nice. It's a way of having manners and treating different people. Most people do not say, I want to be really popular. It's not necessarily important to be popular, but it's really nice to feel popular, to feel known when you're going somewhere. So extrinsic qualities are great to have, but what we know about a good goal is that the majority, 51%, maybe it's 60%, for some people it's 99%, can be found to be intrinsic.